Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete the Safari search history on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, you want to open up the Safari Internet app. In here, we're going to go down to the navigation bar at the bottom and tap on the bookmark icon. It's like a book icon right here. So you tap on that, and then we're going to swipe up so that we can extend out the history window. In here, we're going to tap on the history tab. So you can see there are 3 tabs at the top. You got the folder or the bookmark. You got the reading list, and the last tab is the history tab. So you choose the history tab, and then to delete a single search entry, you can swipe across like this and then tap on delete, and that will allow you to remove the history one by one, or you can tap on the clear button at the bottom and that will basically clear out all the search history. So that is up to you. Now I've just noticed if you touch and hold onto that, it will bring up another windows, a preview window, and you can also tap on the delete button down here to delete that. And that's it. So then tap on done at the top, and then to go back to your home screen, just swipe up. And that's it. That will take you back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.